Welcome to SOS Net, Share Online Solution Network, at Web Coding and Development. Book 1. Chapter 2. Setting up the XAMPP.
How to download XAMPP. To get started, head for the Apache Friends website at www.apachefriends.org. Download. And then download XAMPP for Windows. Be sure to get the most recent version. And then you can put it in the folder you like. Here it is, and you wait a moment. It has finished downloading. You can close this tab. You can download it in different formats. Okay, now open the folder where you downloaded. Installing XAMPP for Windows. Use this Setup Wizard dialog box to deselect the checkbox beside any component you don't want installed. You can choose which folder you like. Remember, it must be an empty folder. You can choose any language you want. Now you just need to click Next button and wait until it completes. If the Windows Security Alert dialog box shows up, be sure to allow Apache to communicate on your private network, but not on any public networks. And you're done, just click the Finish button. This is XAMPP Control Panel v3.3.0. If you want to install, click on this icon and install what you want. Running the XAMPP for Windows Control Panel, click Start. If you don't want to run XAMPP on Windows, then click that button again. That button will change to Start. Click Admin. That is the first way to open it. You can also see 5 other pages. And here is the second way to open it by URL. It is the same as the previous page. Or you can open XAMPP by other way. To Disk C, where you download. Right-click on XAMPP Control and click Run as Administrator. It is similar to the previous table. Click Admin. With XAMPP for Windows installed and Apache up and running, congratulations are in order. You've got a web server running on your PC, and here is the PHP My Admin page. The video ends here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for SOS Net, Share Online Solution Network, at Web Coding and Development. Book 1. Chapter 2. Setting up the XAMPP.